Want to unlock the full potential of your Revolut card and start spending like a pro? Let's dive into how to verify your Revolut card in just a few simple steps, so you're set for action. First, open up your Revolut app and make sure you are on the home screen. Now, tap the card icon usually found at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll manage all your cards. You will then be shown a screen that displays your card details. This could be the place where you might see a message that mentions something along the lines of tap to verify or your card is not activated. Look for a button or prompt specifically for card verification, where you can find the card's menu options. You'll likely be prompted to follow the on-screen instructions. This may include some security measures, such as entering your card PIN or maybe even a code sent to your registered phone number. This step is important for security and confirming that the card is yours. After following the necessary instructions, you will receive a confirmation message. After the card confirmation, the app might direct you to complete a transaction. And there you have it. Your Revolut card is now verified, meaning you're ready to start using it for all your spending and travel needs. Enjoy.